In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft Outlook for Windows 10 and 11. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open your favorite web browser. If you don't already have the Microsoft Store bookmarked, head to google.com. Using a search engine is an easy way to land on the official page without typing long addresses. In the search box, type Microsoft Store and press Enter. From the results, click the official Microsoft Store website. You'll know you're in the right place when the page is clearly branded by Microsoft and the link points to a Microsoft domain, not a third-party site. This helps you avoid unofficial downloads and keeps your device secure. Once the Microsoft Store page loads, locate the search bar at the top. Click into it, type Outlook, and press Enter. You should see Outlook appear in the results. Select the listing for Outlook and double-check that it's the official app published by Microsoft. Confirming the publisher is a quick way to make sure you're getting the genuine application with the latest updates and security protections. On the Outlook page, click the Download or Get button. The Microsoft Store will start preparing your download right away. You'll see progress indicators so you know the process has started. Give it a moment to get going. When the download finishes, look for the file your browser saved. Depending on the browser, it may appear at the bottom of the window, or you'll find it in your Downloads folder. Click the downloaded file to open the installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, choose Yes so the setup can continue. Then follow the on-screen prompts. The installer handles the heavy lifting and sets up Outlook on your computer. Installation time can vary based on your internet speed and your computer's performance, so allow a few minutes. When setup completes, Outlook is installed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. That's it. You've downloaded and installed Microsoft Outlook using the Microsoft Store. If anything seems to take longer than expected, give it a little extra time and make sure your internet connection is stable. I hope this walkthrough made the process smooth and straightforward. If you found it helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.